How to cancel a bid on eBay. So let's take a look at what eBay says is the correct time to cancel a bid. We're going to click on help and contact at the top of the eBay homepage. If you can't find this for whatever reason, just Google eBay help and you'll come to this page. Then type in retract bid. And then we're going to click on retracting a bid article. So from here, we can see my bid that I've placed. And if we scroll down, we can see when you can retract a bid. It says, you can retract a bid if the seller significantly changed the description of the item, you accidentally bid the wrong amount, or you can't reach the seller. Now, the seller hasn't changed the description of the item. I didn't bid the wrong amount. And I haven't tried reaching the seller yet. It says any other bids can't be retracted, but you can still contact the seller to see if they'll agree to cancel a bid for you. Remember, the seller isn't obligated to cancel a bid, so they may not agree. Now, most sellers probably will agree to cancel the bid for you if you're friendly. I can't see why they wouldn't. And if you accidentally bid the wrong amount, it does say that you should enter the price you intended to bid as soon as you've retracted the incorrect bid. So eBay does expect you to head on with another bid as soon as you've retracted it. So I don't know what the consequences are if you just decide not to, but I imagine eBay will keep an eye on this, and they probably have records of the fact that you've retracted bids and then just left it. So it may work once. You know, I can't see them closing your account doing it once, but don't take my word for that. But if you keep doing it over and over again, I presume something could happen because you're doing something against the terms and conditions. So I do recommend contacting the seller to see if they'll cancel the bid for you. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I think this is the best option if you want to keep your account in good standing. So let's do that. Contact seller. Click on the item. Contact seller, and I'm going to type, hello, I accidentally offered too much money and right now I can't afford to pay it. I would be extremely grateful, can't spell, if you can cancel this for me. I profusely apologize for bidding when I am not in a position to pay for the item. I hope you understand, and many thanks for reading. Send message. So now I'll get back to you when they reply, if they reply. 20 minutes later, a quick chat with the seller, and they have obliged and cancelled my bid. Very good stuff. My bid has been cancelled. Now, when you ask to cancel the bid, provide this link because it takes the seller to here. Cancel buyer's bids. Bids should only be cancelled for good reason. And if we click on the reasons, the top one is the buyer contacts me to cancel the sale. So this authorizes them to do so. All they have to do is type in the item number, your username, submit, and boom, done. So I do recommend going down this route. Hopefully the seller is compliant. I mean, with all stuff like ratings and stuff like that, I presume most buyers will oblige in order to not risk getting a negative review score. So, good stuff. I'm really happy with the seller, obliging, good guy. And that is all. So, thank you for watching. Please leave a subscribe and a nice friendly comment if this helped. It lets me know that I helped you guys out, and that's awesome. So thank you and goodbye.